There is a particular kind of magic that happens when a piece of furniture transforms. One moment it is a wall, a cabinet, a bookcase. The next, with a gentle pull, it becomes a bed. This is the Murphy bed, an invention that has been solving space problems for more than a century. And when it is made from wood, it becomes something more than a practical solution. It becomes a piece of furniture that honors the room it serves, that adds warmth and character to a space defined by its limitations. A wooden Murphy bed is not a compromise, it is an opportunity. A Murphy bed, also known as a wall bed, was invented in early 1900s by William Lawrence Murphy, a San Francisco resident living in a small apartment. He wanted to entertain guests but had no space for a proper bedroom. His solution was a bed that folded into the wall, disappearing during the day and emerging at night. The idea was simple but revolutionary. Suddenly, a single room could serve two purposes. A living room by day could become a bedroom by night. A home office could transform into a guest room. The Murphy bed made small space living possible, and it has been doing so ever since. The magic of a wooden Murphy bed is not that it does not look like a bed when it's closed. This is the key. A poorly designed Murphy bed is obvious. A bed-shaped bulge in the wall, a clear sign that something is hidden. A well-designed wooden Murphy bed disappears completely. It looks like a cabinet, a bookshelf, a wardrobe. It blends into the room, adding storage and character rather than announcing its true purpose. The wood is the secret. A painted metal frame will always look like a bed frame, no matter how you try to hide it. But wood, with its warmth and grain, can be anything. A wooden Murphy bed can be a wall of shelves, a desk, an entertainment center. It can be tailored to the room, the style, the needs of the person who uses it. The choice of wood for a Murphy bed is a decision that will shape the entire room. A light wood like maple or birch creates an airy modern feel. The bed disappears into the background, becoming a part of the wall rather than competing with it. A dark wood like walnut or cherry adds warmth and richness, making the bed a feature rather than a secret. A rustic wood, like reclaimed barnwood or pine, brings texture and history, perfect for a cabin or a cottage. The wood should complement the existing furniture and finishes, but it does not need to match exactly. A Murphy bed can be a statement piece, a focal point, or a quiet presence. The choice is yours. The design of a wooden Murphy bed is limited only by imagination. The most common approach is a cabinet-style bed with a large wooden panel that folds down to reveal the mattress. When closed, the cabinet can be left plain, or it can be fitted with doors, drawers, or shelves. Some designs incorporate a desk that folds down with the bed, creating a workspace that disappears at night. Others include built-in lighting, bookcases on either side, or even a small closet for storing bedding. The Murphy bed can be customized to fit the specific needs of the room and the person who will use it. One popular idea is the bookcase Murphy bed. When closed, the bed looks like a floor to ceiling bookcase, filled with books and objects. The shelves are real, functional, not just decorative. When it is time to sleep, the entire bookcase swings down, revealing the bed behind it. The books remain on the shelves, held in place by gravity or small retainers. This design is ideal for a home office or a study, where books are already present and a guest bed is occasionally needed. The bed does not announce itself, it waits quietly until it is needed. The installation of a Murphy bed is not a beginner project. The bed must be anchored securely to the wall and to the floor. The weight of the bed, the mattress, and the bedding can be substantial. A poorly designed Murphy bed is a safety hazard. The bed should be mounted to studs or to a reinforced wall. The floor should be level and sturdy. The hardware should be adjusted carefully to ensure smooth operation. If you're not confident in your skills, hire a professional. The peace of mind is worth the cost. Murphy beds solved a problem. They made us more space, more livable, more flexible, more useful. Each was made from wood, chosen for its beauty and its warmth, its ability to be both furniture and a wall. I'm curious about your own space. Do you have a room that needs to serve two purposes? A home office that could use a guest bed? Have you ever considered a Murphy bed? Let me know in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.